As an entrepreneur or leader, the starting point in building the business that is right for you is to determine what are the functions you will perform and what are those you will delegate. For most entrepreneurs, the key functions they want to perform are those that relate to strategy and rainmaking. You delegate everything else. You build the organization by finding people who can fulfill functions that they are naturally suited to do and that are in support of what you're looking to achieve, the vision for your business. It all starts with clarity around your role and then defining the roles that other people will play and the functions they will perform.